All right, welcome back, my dear students. So, in the last lecture, we learned how to create sessions, how to read them, right? So, we learned also that we have a function here, a global function called session, that we can basically do the same thing we were doing with our requests. We can do it in this function here. So, Edwin, um, we could say something like, I don't know, it could be something else. Actually, this goes like that. Master, or it could be Edwin, your teacher. All right, like this. So if we do this, we can return that data. Let's actually return it. Let's echo it out in another session global with the key Edwin. Okay, like this. And let's just return it. Edwin 2. Okay. Let's give it a different key. Enter. As you can see, your teacher. All right. So we can access this using our global functions as well. All right. Now, so we learn how to create, how to even update, because we can, what we do is when we updating, we reset that information. We grab the same session and we override it, right? But we also have methods like, let's learn this. Actually, let's um, show everything real quick so that way you can see when we delete it that it really does delete it. All right, so we're gonna show our sessions right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the new sessions that we have created. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this specific session right here, Edwin 2, with the key number 2. All right, with the key Edwin 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say request session, and then we're gonna use a method called forget, and we're gonna give it a key name. All right, and now when you go back, this at the end should be out of there. You see that? Now, if you want to delete everything, that's cool too. We could, and we got it. Just use the flush method. All right, like this. Not flush, not flash, but flush. There we go. Done. You see that? That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, there are a couple other methods that you can find in the documentation if you want to dig really deep into sessions there. But for the moment, this is all we need. We're not gonna be using that many sessions here in our course, but this should give you a pretty good idea how to do it. All right, and the documentation should fill you in on the rest. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.